Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. So glad you're here. I have a DIY for you today. That's why I'm looking a little glowy, a little sweaty, a little haggard, because the last couple of days I've been working on DIYs, painting, cutting, screwing things in, all of that stuff. But I do have one that's ready for me to show you how I created that. I mentioned it to you the last time where I was going to hang a pendant light for one of my grow bulbs, and I did a little twist on it to make it look cute, because I can't just have a bulb hanging. It's got to look cute too. So stay tuned and I will show you what I did and all the supplies that you'll need to create your own. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so let me show you what I'm working with here. I ordered this hanging pendant socket. It has, I think, 20 feet cord on it, and this does have a dimmer on it, but with the bulb I'm using it's not going to work, so I'm just going to turn it all the way on, and that will turn the bulb on. And the bulb I'm using is the one I already had, the Sansi. I believe this is 25 watt that I had in the lamp, and it fits right into this socket. What I'm going to hang it from, they sell lots of different hangers for pendant lights, but I'm going to use what I have on hand, which is this plant hanger, and I'm going to put it on the wall, screw it on the wall, and use this to hang it. I'm just going to wrap the cord around there and hang it on there. It's going to work just as well, and I don't have to spend the money on buying something new. It's got my screws. Now this did come with, the pendant socket did come with a little screw that you can put up in the ceiling, and a little thing that you can hang the cord from. If you don't have a hanger handy, you can use this little thing that it comes with, but there are lots of different kinds that you can choose from. I'll leave a link to all of these things. Basically all of these things I got from Amazon, and so I'll leave a link down below that you can find them on there also. And I got my screwdriver there. One thing that I'm going to try is putting this as a shade. This is the basket that I got at Michael's that had the terracotta pot in it. Remember that? I wanted to try and see if I can run the cord through here, cut a hole in here, run the cord through there, and hang the light bulb on here. Reason I want to do that is I just want to add a little bit of decorative look to it, as opposed to just a bulb hanging from a cord. So I'm going to try and cut a hole through here, run the cord through there, and see how that works. In my mind it works, but we'll see in reality if it works or not. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, so there it is hanging. I'll turn it on in just a second, but it gives me so much more room on this shelf here to add more propagations, to add more plants. And let me turn it on. I have it all hooked up to the room light switch, so I can turn it on all at once. And the light will hit the burl marks here, will hit the Rhaphidophora tetrasperma here, all of the plants that are there and that I will add. And I think I'm definitely going to do this lamp over here. That's the House Bright bulb I have over there. I think I am going to do the same project. I love how the little basket looks. If you're going to do the basket lid over it, shade over it, I would definitely look at a basket that you maybe don't need to cut, because the wicker on this was difficult to cut. I did use a box cutter to cut the pieces. Thank goodness it wasn't a whole lot, but it wasn't easy. But I love the way it looks. So I will definitely do the same project over there as far as you know, hanging the pendant light. I'll get one that I don't need to, that doesn't have a dimmer on it, because I don't need one. And these bulbs don't work with a dimmer. So, and I'll get another wicker basket too. So I just love the way that this looks. I hope that inspires you, friends, to try this. You know, you don't have to buy expensive pendant lights. You can create them yourself, and you can make them look cute, as well as them being practical. And you don't have to use a lamp or anything like that. So this is another option that you can do. If you enjoyed this video, friends, please do give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.